I'm a Swiss journalist living in Zurich, and I started working on TV when I was 20 years old.
Ich danke Ihnen fürs Zuschauen. Für Tele Zürich, Yvonne.
I gave up my TV career. The reason was that I wanted to have more time for my friends, and I wanted to have time to see the world. Everyone thought I'm crazy, and I myself too. I was so scared of this step. But it was the best decision ever.
My next journey starts in Berlin. Within 100 days, I try to make it all the way to Japan. I want to prove that we are all connected.
To do this, I will only travel from one friend to another, but I can't do it on my own. I need you to join me.
Hey.
Hi. Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hello, guys. Let's create the circle of friendship around the world. It's not a race, it's a challenge.